So I always tell my students to think as their instrument like a baby or as a baby, because you wouldn't mistreat your baby pretty much. So you wouldn't mistreat your instrument. You wouldn't lay the instrument upside down or keep it in the hot weather in the car or in the cold. You know, you wouldn't throw it around, and always dusting off the rosin, the excess rosin. So when you play the violin, you use the bow and you rosin the bow, and that's gonna grip onto the string. And if you can see, it's a little bit of white residue right there.
Yeah.
So you always want to take like something that's not going to scratch the instrument and just wipe it off every single time you use it. And it'll just take off the rosin, the built up fingerprints. We always tend to wipe those down. You don't ever use any like harsh chemicals on it, no water, because it is wood. So it's just clean cloth.